Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Panasonic SC-AKX640 stereo system and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this unit not responding, like you're touching the buttons and it doesn't respond, or if it seems to be frozen, if it's not connecting to Bluetooth or not pairing with your device, not making proper sound, anything like that you're trying to fix, a hard reset can fix a lot of those issues. Now the second reason you might want to do that is if you just want to, like, let's say you want to pair it with a new device on Bluetooth and you just want to delete all the pairing history so you can get started fresh. This is going to wipe everything off of it and it will be like it was coming out of the box. So it's really easy to do. First thing we want to do is just unplug it from the wall. And then we're just going to leave it disconnected from power for at least 3 minutes. Once we've left it disconnected from power for at least 3 minutes, we're just going to come in and press and hold the power button. And while we're pressing and holding the power button, we're going to then plug it back in. Just continue to hold the power button, continue to hold the power button. It'll turn back on, continue to hold it, and then eventually you'll see on the display, you'll just get a bunch of dashes all the way across the display. Dash, 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 all the way across the display. Once that happens, you can release the power button, your stereo has been reset, and you can go ahead and set it up like a brand new stereo.